We'll guide you through how to cancel Spotify Premium. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Spotify Mobile, and for whatever reason you want to go and cancel Spotify Premium. Perhaps you find that it's too expensive or you don't really go and use Spotify. Do just remember the great benefits that Spotify Premium does bring you. For example, it means you can go and skip music. It means you can go and listen to it without ads. And it means you can go and listen to it offline and go and download it. And you also get access to higher quality as well. So there's lots of different benefits to Spotify Premium, and you are going to go and ultimately go and lose them. But if you're sure you want to do this, we're going to guide you through how it's done. So make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything so you know exactly what you need to do. So you may have gone and explored the app a bit to go and see if you're able to go and cancel it. For example, if you go and press your profile icon in the top left and go and press your premium, what you can do here is you can go and see I'm currently using the individual plan, and you can go and press manage to the right. But you can go and see here it says you can't make changes in the app for your plan. We know it's not ideal. So we're going to guide you through this. As you can go and see, I'm going to be automatically charged $12.99 on that date there. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and cancel this, whether it's a trial or you pay already. So what we're going to do here is come out of the Spotify app and open a web browser. Chrome, Safari, it doesn't matter. You can tap on the address bar and we can go and search for Spotify, just like so. And what we're going to do is go and search for it. You can go and see we've got open.spotify.com, so you can tap there. It may go and take you to the app, but it should then ultimately bring you back to the site. Now you can go and press the three lines in the top left, and you want to go and press login. And now we can go and log into our account. You'll be sent a code, but personally, I like to go and use the password. So I'm going to go and use that there. And now we've gone and logged in. After logging in, what you need to do is go and head to the top right of Spotify and press the gear or cog icon, and this will open up. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for your account at the top. Then what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down the account page here, and you want to go and find your subscription. And you can find the option cancel subscription like so. Now, as you can see, it says if you cancel, you'll change to our free plan immediately. So that's important to know. So it won't go and stay until the billing date in this case. So make sure you're sure about this. But if you're sure, you can press continue to cancel. And then if you're sure, you can go and press yes, cancel. And your Spotify subscription is going to go and be canceled, and we're going to lose the benefits immediately.